Hey explorers! Google Earth just dropped a mind-blowing update for its 20th anniversary, letting you time travel with historical street view imagery. Plus, AI insights are changing the game. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this epic Google Earth glow-up. Google Earth celebrates 20 years by adding historical street view imagery, letting you see how places have changed over time. On top of that, pro users in the US get AI-driven planet insights. With over 2 billion searches last year, this update's huge. Ready to explore? Keep watching! Google Earth's new feature lets you dive into old street view images to witness a location's transformation, like seeing your hometown evolve over decades. Launched to mark the platform's 2005 debut, which hit 100 million downloads in its first week, this tool is a nostalgic game changer. Imagine checking out your old neighborhood. How cool is that? For professional users in the US, Google Earth's rolling out AI-powered insights. You can analyze tree canopy coverage to spot greener areas or pinpoint spots needing cooling strategies, like in Austin, Texas. Plus, land surface temperature data helps identify hot zones for smarter urban planning. These tools are next level for city planners and environmentalists. This update makes Google Earth more than a virtual globe. It's a time machine and a planning powerhouse. Historical imagery brings the past to life, while AI insights shape a better future. With 2 billion searches last year, Google Earth's still a global obsession. Is this the coolest update yet? Jump into Google Earth today to try the historical street view imagery or check out the AI insights if you're a pro user. Whether you're reliving memories or planning greener cities, there's something for everyone. What place are you exploring first? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Google Earth's 20th anniversary update. Are you hyped to time travel with Street View or stoked for those AI insights? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.